Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Makacheni. I am Umakacheni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics. But today's topic is about Umechi. Guys, Mechi has been trending for the past week for what he said about Kubash Yagamini, guys. But yeah, today he apologized on the podcast and he also invited Umini on the podcast so that they can talk about this thing and squash the beef, guys. So Mechi, guys, there's someone, there's some lady who is a chiller and who's a good friend of his, guys, who sent him screenshots. Apparently there's a group chat that is created. South African celebrities, not everyone, South African celebrities created a group chat, guys. And on that group chat, they are talking about Mechi, how they'll cancel podcast and chill, and how they want podcast and chill to be cancelled because they believe that what Mechi is doing is wrong. And they are saying that Mechi has stabbed, and many people told so it's time for him to be disciplined. There's one message, guys. He did read some of the messages that were there on the group chat because the lady that told him about the group chat and what things that they were saying on that group chat, guys, she also screenshotted. She also produced evidence. And guys, there are a lot of celebrities that are there that he didn't want to mention, but he did mention one person, guys, who is on that group chat, even though lo muntu angashonga next, but kuthiwa is part and parcel of that group chat, which is Ukespa Nyovest. Guys, I do know that Umechi has a lot of things. As someone who watch podcast and chill, I know that Umechi has said a lot of things about Ukespa, good and not so good, guys. But a lot of things Umechi Akumas isn't that are already on social media, are things that are already on internet. So it's things that everyone is talking about. I don't know, Mina, why do these celebrities get angry or want to cancel someone if we are talking about them, because izinto esikhuluma ngazo vele ziku-internet. It's Umechi ukhuluma ngazo. If Umechi uyakhuluma ngazo akakhulumi ngazo, that won't stop us from talking about it. That won't stop another blogger from talking about that thing, and that won't stop someone from TikTok to talk about it. You get me? So I don't really understand why bakwade as if Umechi yenza nje uMusa Khawula. I understand no Musa Khawula because abantu bakhotela ukuthi Musa Khawula ukhipha ama-secrets igaqa abantu abangazazi, of which now sometimes about 60% of the things he is saying, they are true, guys. So yeah, Musa Khawula is understandable because no Chris XL, because my keeper is into that we don't know of. But make sure a lot of the things that guys are cool as he's in the Aussie there. So make sure to say if there's something wrong that will happen to you, maybe we are offer or the car, something, but we know who to go to or who to blame, because there's no way good you can create a group chat. Hey guys, they're so evil. Just imagine they create a group chat just so that you can plot to destroy someone. I'm so happy that YouTube ayimameli muntu YouTube ayifani nabo DSTV nabo SABC radio and what. So anyone can say let's just cancel him just because they are against your success. I mean, I always say labantu laba who are so fast to cancel abanye abantu is that they don't hate you, they hate your success. The time podcast and chill has 100 subscribers or 200 subscribers, no one was saying this. There was no group chat that was created so that they can cancel someone. If you are a man or you are a woman or you're old enough and you are a man in talk, why don't you just write an email or sue Mechi? Why should you be a group, guys? Open a group chat, use your data, text there or voice note or whatever. Just imagine, so that you are plotting to destroy someone. That is evil. I'm sorry. That is so evil. And people, Mechi, I think, should take angayithathi lightly. I think Mechi should go to a police station because already musune evidence and show police and open a case. I think there is a case that should be opened up about this, because I don't think he's safe. This person we DJ uzabhukwa somewhere not knowing what even the muntu ambhukile, it's one of the people on the group chat. I understand. I don't think he's safe, but I mean I do love it podcast and chill, and I'm so disappointed kula ama celebrity angawasho and angisafuna ukwazi. I so wish and pray that knowing Mechi next time I watch these celebrities so that we can know this who are these evil people. Even though Mechi has shown a lot of things that are wrong, there are things Mechi has shown that we don't agree with them, like the mini thing, and the other things I know Mechi, and even no cause they don't cause Mechi. But that doesn't mean good. Many reason he created group chat, and then the third part, I'm happy who Sol Pendua said this. The third part, if one of the people on that group chat uyakhanselwa yena self. Let me just make an example about uCasper Nyovest, since naye part of the group chat uyakhansela or something wrong yenza kuyi, those people on that group chat, they won't help him. Let's just be honest, because if nihlangane ngobubi ngegama lomuntu ayikho into enhle ephumayo lapho. If nihlangane ngobubi ngogama lomuntu vele mase ningathi into yeni ayihlangani nalobubi enifuna ukubenza phezulu komunye umuntu bungasaphumeleli, vele noqala nigilane nina self. Mina, if those people mele baqale babhekane, because they should know they are all snakes, they are all dangerous, bazogabhana at some point. So if abasakwazi ukugila uMaChing, next time another victim or another person abazofuna ukumdestroy will be part and parcel of that group chat. But so please do comment down below your thoughts, because I really want to hear what uzothini about this thing. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.